Welcome to jzgraphics. In this video, I will teach you how to create simple and elegant poster design in Adobe Illustrator. So, let's get it started. First, create a new file with these dimensions. Then I have this fractured shape. Link of this shape is mentioned in the description. Right-click, and click on Copy. Then paste in front on main file. Open the Pathfinder panel, and click on Unite button. And apply the black color to it. Double-click on it, and you can delete the shape if you want. Go to the Object menu, Compound Path and Make, or press Ctrl+8. Go to the File menu, Place, select your image, and click on Place. Right-click, arrange and send it to back. Hold the Shift key, and select both. Go to the Object menu, Clipping Mask and Make, or press Ctrl+7. Double-click on it, and you can adjust the image size. Go to the Type tool, and type your text. Follow my text settings. Now I am adding texture background to it. Adjust its size on the artboard. Then center back. And decrease its opacity to 75%. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates.